Welcome to AlCabri Travel. Today we're exploring Italy, a country of timeless beauty, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes. From its bustling cities filled with ancient wonders to its serene countryside and picturesque coastlines, Italy offers a unique blend of culture, art, and cuisine that captivates every traveler. Join us as we explore the top 10 must-visit destinations in Italy, uncovering the best things to do, the ideal times to visit, and essential tips for making the most of your Italian adventure. 1. Rome. Our journey begins in Rome, the Eternal City. Marvel at the grandeur of the Colosseum, visit the Vatican City, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. The best time to visit Rome is from April to June and September to October, when the weather is mild and the crowds are thinner. Don't forget to explore the charming streets of Trastevere and indulge in authentic Roman cuisine. Venice. Next, we sail to Venice, the city of canals. Take a romantic gondola ride on the Grand Canal, visit St. Mark's Basilica, and get lost in the maze of narrow streets and bridges. The best time to visit Venice is during the spring and fall, when the weather is pleasant and the city is less crowded. Be sure to experience the Venice Carnival if you visit in February. Florence. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, is our next stop. Admire the stunning Florence Cathedral, explore the art treasures of the Uffizi Gallery, and stroll across the historic Ponte Vecchio. The best time to visit Florence is from April to June and September to October. Don't miss climbing to the top of the Duomo for a panoramic view of the city. For Amalfi Coast. Amalfi Coastline, Positano, Ravello. The Amalfi Coast offers some of the most breathtaking views in Italy. Drive along the scenic coastal road, visit the colorful village of Positano, and enjoy the gardens of Ravello. The best time to visit is from May to October, with September being ideal for pleasant weather and fewer tourists. Try the local limoncello and relax on the beautiful beaches. 5. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 charming villages on the Ligurian coast, is perfect for hiking enthusiasts. Wander through the picturesque streets, hike the scenic trails, and savor fresh seafood. The best time to visit is from April to October, with May and September being the best for good weather and fewer crowds. Take a boat tour to see the villages from the sea. 6. Milan. Milan, the fashion capital of Italy, is known for its blend of modernity and history. Visit the magnificent Milan Cathedral, shop at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, and see Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. The best time to visit Milan is from April to June and September to October. Attend a fashion show during Milan Fashion Week if you're a fashion enthusiast. 7. Tuscany. Tuscany's rolling hills and vineyards offer a quintessential Italian experience. Explore the medieval town of Siena, visit the vineyards of Chianti, and soak in the thermal baths of Saturnia. The best time to visit Tuscany is from April to June and September to October. Don't forget to sample the region's famous wines and olive oil. 8. Sicily. Mount Etna. Sicily, the largest Mediterranean island, is rich in history and natural beauty. Hike up Mount Etna, explore the Valley of the Temples, and relax on the beautiful beaches. The best time to visit Sicily is from April to June and September to October. Taste the unique Sicilian cuisine, including arancini and cannoli. 9. Naples. Naples, a city with vibrant energy, is home to the world-famous pizza. Visit the ancient ruins of Pompeii, wander through the bustling streets, and enjoy the best pizza you'll ever taste. The best time to visit Naples is from April to June and September to October. Take a day trip to the nearby Amalfi Coast or Capri Island. 10. Lake Como. Finally, we arrive at Lake Como, a serene and stunning destination. Enjoy the beautiful lake views, visit the luxurious villas, and explore the charming town of Bellagio. The best time to visit Lake Como is from March to November, with April to October being ideal for pleasant weather. Take a boat tour to fully appreciate the lake's beauty. Italy is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences, each destination offering its unique charm and allure. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or an adventure seeker, Italy has something special for everyone. Start planning your Italian adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures around the world. Ciao! Your host, Alberto.